The story of language. To start with, human beings had two language. How did the tell to each other? How did they say what they wanted to say? They did this thoughts, action, and future. Even today, we also use action to say something. When you teacher puts has here finger on has here lips. What does he say? He say, do not make a noise. Be